Imagine for a moment a world where the impossible becomes possible, where your wildest dreams aren't just flights of fancy, but seeds of reality waiting to bloom. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to an extraordinary exploration into the heart of manifestation, where being delusional isn't a weakness but a secret weapon. Transcending empirical evidence in the manifestation video challenges the traditional reliance on observable and measurable data as the sole arbiters of truth. This concept doesn't undermine the importance of scientific inquiry, but introduces the significant role of the intangible thoughts, beliefs, and intentions in shaping our reality. It suggests that our reality isn't constructed solely on what's visibly and measurable, but also on what we envision and believe. This perspective compels us to explore how our consciousness and mindset influence our life's path, extending the definition of evidence and truth beyond the materialistic view. We welcome this approach and open ourselves to new ways of thinking, fostering personal growth and a more holistic life experience. It's a journey that acknowledges the power of belief, balancing our physical perceptions with the understanding that our inner beliefs are equally potent in crafting our world. Shifting the focus to potentialities marks a significant shift in traditional goal setting and problem solving, emphasizing envisioning possibilities and potential outcomes over current limitations. This approach fosters a forward-thinking mindset, valuing what could be achieved rather than just what exists, and requires recognizing latent talents and untapped opportunities. It's not about ignoring reality, but enhancing it with a vision of the possible, involving aspirational goals that challenge boundaries and encourage innovation. This mindset transforms challenges into opportunities for growth, aligning with the growth mindset principles, which advocate that abilities and intelligence can develop through effort and persistence. Implementing this involves setting visionary goals, nurturing strengths, promoting a risk-taking culture, and maintaining flexibility in the face of change. Ultimately, focusing on potentialities is a transformative strategy that expands the scope of achievable success, leveraging vision, resilience, and continuous improvement in both personal and professional spheres. Childhood imagination and adult belief uniquely intersect personal development and manifestation. As children, we possess a boundless capacity for imagination, creating worlds without limits and believing in the possibility of anything. This innate ability to envision and believe in the unbelievable lays the groundwork for powerful creative thinking. In adulthood, this imaginative prowess often becomes overshadowed by practicality and skepticism, but the resurgence of this childhood capacity for imagination in adults can have profound implications. By reigniting the ability to dream without constraints and believe in the unseen, adults can harness this powerful imaginative force for personal and professional growth. This process involves more than mere nostalgia. It's about actively integrating imaginative thinking with adult reasoning, leading to innovative solutions and breakthroughs. Engaging the imaginative vigor of childhood and the strategic thinking of adulthood creates a synergy that can transform goals into tangible outcomes. This synergy enhances personal and professional endeavors and enriches cognitive and emotional well-being, allowing for a more holistic approach to life's challenges and aspirations. In essence, the blend of childhood imagination with adult belief is about recapturing a lost art and leveraging the full spectrum of human creativity and vision for impactful and meaningful achievements. Harmonizing with the universe is a concept that looks into aligning personal intentions and actions with the broader, often intangible, rhythms and energies of the world around us. This alignment is not merely a philosophical or spiritual pursuit. It has tangible implications for personal and professional growth. It involves a deep understanding and responsiveness to the interconnectedness of all things, recognizing that individual actions and thoughts are part of a larger tapestry. In practice, this means fostering an awareness of the impact of one's actions, not just on the immediate environment, but the global ecosystem. For professionals and leaders, this translates to decision-making that considers long-term sustainability and ethical implications. On a personal level, it involves cultivating an attitude of mindfulness and gratitude, acknowledging the role of external forces in shaping one's journey. By attuning to the universe's rhythm, one can navigate life with a sense of harmony and purpose, making choices that resonate with personal aspirations and the greater good. This approach encourages a balance between ambition and humility, drive and patience, reminding us that while we strive for personal achievements, we are also part of a vast, interconnected network where our actions reverberate beyond our immediate sphere. Harmonizing with the universe is about finding a synergistic relationship between personal goals and the larger forces at play, creating an individually fulfilling and universally considerate life. Starting delusion for progress in a professional context involves strategically adopting what might be traditionally viewed as unrealistic or overly ambitious thinking to drive innovation and achieve significant breakthroughs. This concept is not about losing touch with reality, but rather about allowing oneself to think beyond the conventional boundaries and norms. It's a process of challenging the status quo by nurturing visions that might initially appear unattainable. This approach has often been the seed for revolutionary ideas and paradigm-shifting innovations in entrepreneurship, science, and creative industries. For instance, technological advancements once deemed as fanciful are now realities that have reshaped our world. In starting this kind of delusional thinking, professionals and leaders can foster an environment where creativity and bold ideas are encouraged, and the fear of failure is replaced by the pursuit of what could be. It requires balancing practicality and imaginative thinking, leveraging optimism and a forward-thinking mindset to explore uncharted territories. This approach can be efficient in problem-solving and driving teams towards audacious goals. By redefining what is possible, delusion becomes a powerful tool for progress, inspiring individuals and organizations to reach beyond their perceived limits and contribute to meaningful and impactful advancements. Our exploration today has taken us through the intricate and thought-provoking landscapes of belief, imagination, and potential. We've looked into how transcending traditional thought, harmonizing with the universe, and even starting what some might call delusion can open doors to new realms of possibility and achievement. When we draw this discussion close, I encourage you to reflect on these concepts and consider how they resonate with your experiences and aspirations. I invite you to share your thoughts, insights, and stories in the comments below. Whether it's a personal experience that aligns with these ideas, a differing perspective, or an innovative application in your professional life, your contributions are invaluable. Your engagement enriches our collective understanding and sparks further conversation, allowing us to learn and grow together. So, take a moment to comment and join this ongoing dialogue. Let's continue challenging the boundaries of what we believe is possible and inspire one another in our journeys toward growth and transformation.